In this video, we will show you how to set alerts during your activity on your Multisport watch. This process will cover series such as the Descent, Enduro, Epix, Fenix, Instinct, and Tactix Multisport watches. Setting an alert during an activity can help you train toward specific goals, increase your awareness of your environment, and to navigate to your destination. Some alerts are available only for specific activities and devices. Now let's set up our first activity alert. Please note that each alert is specific to that activity. This process will need to be completed on each activity type you wish for the alert to trigger on. First, press the Start/Stop button to open the activity and apps list. If you are using an Instinct series watch, press the GPS button. Using the down button, locate the activity you would like to set alerts on. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. Press and hold the up button to open the settings menu. Next, we'll be selecting Run Settings. The activity name may differ based on which one you selected. Now scroll down and select Alerts. Then select Add New. Here you can view the list of available alert types. In this video, we'll show two examples of alerts. To learn more about the available alert types, see Activity Alerts in your owner's manual. For our example, we will be selecting Heart Rate. Now we will set a high alert. This is triggered by the zone or your custom heart rate value. We will be selecting Maximum Z5, also known as Zone 5. Now we can choose a low alert trigger. This will prompt the alert if our heart rate dips during the activity. We will be selecting Warm Up, or Z1. You will now see the alert with the low and high triggers. Once finished, you can press the back button until you return to the activity screen. However, we want to show you another example of an alert. You can also follow this path to set up additional alerts. To begin, scroll up and select Add New, followed by Custom. Here we can set up Drink, Eat, Turn Around, and other custom named alerts. These can be useful on longer activities or just reminders when you're near a saved location. For our example, we will be selecting Drink. Next, we can choose between time or distance. Since our typical 5-mile course has a water fountain at 2.5 miles, we'll select Distance, followed by entering in that value. Now as we run, the watch will alert us every 2.5 miles to take a drink. Since we are finished setting up alerts, we will press the back button until we reach the watch face. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, check out our other videos or visit us at support.garmin.com.